Hi everyone, my name is Sydney. I'm back again. So here goes my fourth project with Flatiron School. This one happens to be my JavaScript project, which has definitely been the hardest project literally since I've been in school since last August. So I'm gonna be honest, the reason why it's been hard is because um, since I really first started JavaScript, this is my second time going through it. Let me just put that out there. This is my second time on my project. But the first time I went through it, I don't think I was utilizing my resources as much as possible. So by the time it came to project time, the first time, I wasn't ready. I really didn't understand a lot when it came to creating functions. Not just that, I didn't understand event listeners at all. So I decided to put myself back in another cohort, try this JavaScript project all over again. And this time I can say it went way smoother this time. I gave myself a lot of time to work on it and make sure that I do exactly, what I'm supposed to do and at least get all the requirements out the way before I try to make stuff pretty. So as you see right now, things are not very pretty, but they do what it's supposed to do. So I have my CRUD functions here. I had many relationship here. My Ajax calls, all of that good stuff. So let me just start by letting you know what this project is for. So my title of this project is called I Love Being Black. As you know, we're all in like very tough times right now, with a lot of stuff going on, with police brutality and just a lot of stuff going on, in the media, in the public. And the main thing I want to say that's probably been keeping us together is social media, when it comes to Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter and all of that. So my reason for this project was supposed to be like a safe space that kind of targets everyone that feels like they're affected by police brutality, affected by racism, affected by the acts of the police, by meaning like you had a family member who was, killed, or not just that, you're someone who wants to uplift this hurtful community and you want to come to this safe space and bring ideas and share your words of wisdom, your words of encouragement to families who've been hurt, share your ideas of what we really can do to solve this issue. So it's titled I Love Being Black, and on my web app, users are able to create posts. And when they create a post, they'll put their state and their country. And then once they make a post, other users are able to comment on it. I don't have any user authentication here, so it doesn't like show who wrote this comment or nothing like that, or who wrote this post, but that may be something I go into deeper once I do my React project. So let me show you how it works. So these all right here, these are all posts that I created already. So say, for example, I want to create a new post. So I would say, I'm just going to say, I love my life. Let's say I'm in Maryland. Country is the United States. I post that. I have alerts all over this page, so every time you do something, it'll show you an alert. So this page says this post was created. So I'm going to press OK, scroll to the bottom, and there goes my post that I just made. So it says, I love my life. The state was Maryland. The country was the United States. As you see, there's no comments here yet, so it's a blank area. But say, for example, if I wanted to make a comment and say, you should love yourself, right? So that's a comment, and I'm going to press comment. Again, I said I have alerts all over this place to let you know every time you're firing something off. So I posted a comment. I'm going to press OK. There goes the comment. It says you should love yourself. So now I just created a post with the state and a country. I also created a comment on this post, right? I haven't refreshed or anything yet, so everything is working perfectly. So say, for example, if I no longer want this on my page, so I'm able to delete this. And again, here goes another alert that says this post is deleted. Once I press OK, that post is gone. So if I wanted to refresh, as you see, that post is gone. So very simple and short. Like I said, I have multiple CRUD functions here. I'm able to create a post. I'm also able to delete a post. Not just that, I'm able to comment on each post. And as I said, like my has many relationship comes from there being that there is many posts, you know, and each post has many comments. Each post has many comments, so which means the comments belong to each post. Okay. Thank you so much for listening. And like I said, about time I get to my React project, I plan to do some user authentication. That way I can just keep this project going forward. But yeah, so I would like it to where a user would be able to sign in. And once they're signed in, it'll show, you know, who wrote this post. It'll also show who writing all of these comments here. And yeah, I might also integrate a like button in there as well. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much summed up. So thank you guys for listening.